Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. I'll also have the ukulele version up here you guys can check out when it does come out, but let's get started with the chords. Alright, so we got 4 chords here. We're going to be using all bar chords. So the first chord is going to be an F minor. Then we're going to be using a G sharp or an A flat. Then a C minor. The last chord is a D flat. Okay, so F minor, G sharp or A flat, C minor, D flat. Alright, so the string pattern here I'm going to be using is down, up, up, down, up. So using the chords, we're going to go down, up, to the next chord, down, up, down, up. Then C minor, down, up, down, up, and then D flat. Okay, so. Now you guys can add in extra strums there, so the extra would be down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, and then going to the next chord. So putting that together, the that's just adding the extra strum there to make it sound more full. But that is how you guys can play this song. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.